Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting video. Before starting this video, I would like to thank one of our viewers who commented and gave me an idea to upload this video. Today we will create a to-do list app using JavaScript local storage. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Also like this video as it motivates me through this YouTube journey. Before starting, let me show you a quick demo of this app. I have also shared you the link of this app in the description box, so you can check in your devices. Today we will create a responsive to-do list step by step. You can clearly see that whatever tasks we are adding, it gets stored within the local storage in an array separated by a comma. Local storage tutorial is already uploaded on this channel, so if you want you can watch that video. Link of the video you will get in the description box. Let's also see how it looks in an mobile device. This app is completely responsive and it looks amazing in mobile device. Now we are starting with the coding part. I will explain the code wherever required. This UL with ID task list will be used to add tasks using JavaScript. The HTML part runs perfectly well and our basic structure of the to-do list app is ready. Now it's time to add some CSS to our web page. A complete tutorial for HTML, CSS and JavaScript is already uploaded on this channel. You can watch those videos if you want, link is in the description box. For better understanding, I would request you all to type the codes along with me. This will help you better in understanding the code. Our CSS part is also completed and the to-do list app looks amazing. Finally, it's the time to add JavaScript into it. For executing our to-do list app we will need 4 functions. First is load tasks. This function is required as soon as the page is loaded to show any saved tasks from local storage. This function does following tasks. It reads tasks from the local storage, splits them into a list, shows them on the screen. The second function which we will write is add tasks, which will add and save tasks entered into the local storage. This line which I am writing now is called ternary operator, which is used to write conditional statements within a line. The fourth function which is used is clear tasks, which will delete the entire tasks array when clear all button will be clicked. Now, let's add the final line which is used to load the page first. We need to style this list item along with the cross button which we have added in load task function. Next, we need to add the function name add tasks in the add button and clear tasks in the clear all button. There was a small typing error in the for each loop of load tasks. There we need to initialize task, not the task array. Comment down whether you were able to find out the mistake or not in the comment box. Our to-do app is ready. Now let's see how it works. You can clearly see that a tasks list is created where each task is saved separated by a comma. We can delete tasks separately or all at once. Please comment down below. If you didn't understood any part, please let me know. If you want to go through the JavaScript concept, link of the playlist is in the description. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.